You won't believe what happened, Ida. When I sneezed the other day, my cat, Whiskers, was lounging on the couch, completely relaxed. I let out a big sneeze, and suddenly it was like I'd triggered a mini earthquake. Whiskers jumped straight into the air, eyes wide, fur standing on end. I mean, I've seen cats react to loud noises, but this was next level. He darted under the coffee table, peeking out like a little furry ninja. It took him a solid 5 minutes to come back out, cautiously sniffing the air as if I just unleashed some invisible monster. It's hilarious how something as simple as a sneeze can turn my calm kitty into a startled explorer.